नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंग्लिश है ये पटवारी के लिए। डायरेक्शन: रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो। I used to have my meals at a vegetarian restaurant. Here I meet Mr. Albert West. We sound to meet in this restaurant every evening and go out walking after dinner. Mr. West was a partner in a small printing concern. He read my letter in the press about the outbreak of the plague and not finding me in the restaurant felt uneasy. My co-workers and I had reduced our diet since the outbreak as I had long made it a rule to go on a light diet during epidemic in these day. I had therefore given up my evening dinner. Lunch also I would finish before the other guests arrived. I knew the proprietor of the restaurant very well, and I had informed him that as I was engaged in nursing the plague patients, I wanted to avoid the contact of friends as much as possible. Not finding me in the restaurant for a day or two, Mr. West knocked at my door early one morning, just as I was getting ready to go out for a walk. As I opened the door, Mr. West said, "I did not find you in the restaurant and was really afraid lest something should have happened to you." What did the speaker, Mr. Albert West, do evening? Every evening, meet in the restaurant and went out walking after dinner. Speaker: and Mr. Albert West meet in restaurant every evening and go out walking after dinner. Why did the speaker not come out the restaurant? He was taking care of प्लग पेशेंट्स। ये इसका आंसर सही हो जाएगा। इसका एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। स्पीकर: engaged in nursing the pupil patients. As far as money is concerned, we get the impression that the writer doesn't often have any money to save. Explain: we get the impression that the writer does not have any money to save it for later. Why did Mr. Albert West knock at the speaker's house? इसका आंसर होगा because he was worried that something had happened to the speaker. Not find in the restaurant for a day or two, West was really afraid lest something have happened to the speaker. Find out the erroneous part of the given sentence. I am believing you have submitted all the necessary documents. इसमें और एरर्स फाइंड करना है, तो एरर्स होगा ए नंबर में आई एम बिलीविंग में एरर्स है। इसमें इसका सॉल्यूशन है यूज्ड बिलीव इन प्लेस ऑफ एम। बिलीविंग in the verbs are non-continuous. We should use simple present tense in place of the present continuous tense. Non-continuous verbs see, need, now, seem, taste, things, love, hate, believe, understand, hear, etc. No sooner did we receive your message when we had a sign of relief. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सी नंबर में एरर है इसमें। और एरर क्या है? नो सूनर देन इज ए करेक्ट correlated words and then we have the का यूज होगा have a sing of relief to feel happy that something unpleasant has not happened. Have a sing of relief to feel happy that something unpleasant has not happened or is no longer happening. Choose the one of the similar in meaning to given words. Choose the one which is similar in meaning to the given words. तो फ्यूरी का सिमिलर वर्ड होगा एंगर। फ्यूरी का सिमिलर वर्ड होगा एंगर। फ्यूरी एंगर। उन्माद अत्यधिक क्रोध। सिन पाप कर्म रिस्क जोखिम। साइन पाप कर्म रिस्क जोखिम क्राइम अपराध। एरुडिटी का समानार्थी शब्द होगा लर्नेड। एरुडिटी का समानार्थी शब्द होगा लर्नेड। एरुडिटी लर्नेड यानी कि विद्वान विद्वतापूर्ण। इलिटरेट यानी निरक्षर अनपढ़। फैशनेबल यानी प्रचलित। शौकीन। स्ट्रॉन्ग यानी बलवान। चॉइस द वन which is positive is meaning to the given words. Choose the one which is opposite in meaning to the given words. स्पेयर का अपोजिट मीनिंग होगा एबुंडेंट। स्पेयर यानी विरल थोड़ा। एविडेंट यानी प्रचुर मात्रा में यथेष्ट से अधिक। चॉइस द अल्टरनेट which the best express the meaning of the given idiom phrases. Bring to light means इसका होगा reveal clearly. Bring to light make or become widely known or evident. Reveal डिस्क्लोज्ड स्पष्ट करना, प्रकाश में लाना। आर रिसर्च हैज brought to light new information about Mohan's early life. Older matter means to be valid. Older matter means to be valid. इसका आंसर था older matter appear to valid sound of reasonable वैध होना। हर lady just didn't hold water. दिए विकल्पों में से वह शब्द चुनिए जो दिए गए शब्द के अक्षर से नहीं बनाया जा सकता। इंटरमीडिएट इसमें यू अक्षर नहीं दिया गया है, अतः विकल्प 2 रिटेन्यू नहीं बनाया जा सकता। इसमें यू अक्षर नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो रिटेन्यू नहीं बनाया जा सकता, बाकी सभी बनाए जा सकते हैं।